Summer in Japan can be unbearably hot, and yet that won't stop us to go out and try to visit everything this wonderful country has to offer. But to make things a bit easier, the best is to visit cooler places, which is what we'll do in this video. Today I will be filming with Catherine from America, who's been living in Fukui for over 7 years. She now works as Fukui Prefecture's Regional Revitalization Corps multicultural promoter. She always has good tips for places to visit and festivals in Fukui. People who have been following us for a while now have probably seen her in one of our previous videos.
I've been good. How are you?
Pretty fine, thank you. So today you're going to introduce us to a quite unique festival. Can you tell us more about it?
Sure thing. So the Awara Yukake Festival is a very unique, almost rare festival in Fukui, maybe even the entire country of Japan. The festival actually started in 2006 as a way to bring together the two districts that have been merged to make Awara City in 2004. It combined aspects of the Kanaza district's float-based Kanaza festival with the Awara district's onsen culture. The date for the festival was also set for a fun linguistic reason. The numbers 8 and 9 can be read as wa and ku in Japanese. Put them together and you have waku, which means boiling, like onsen water, or exciting and energetic, both words that perfectly describe this festival. Of course, there are festival classics like food stalls and stage performances, as well as traditional dancing and Fukui's favorite bit of local festival culture, manjumaki, confectionery throwing, on the second day of the festival. But the real star of the show is at the end of the first day, a giant water battle using local onsen water. The goal? To soak the float and mikoshi portable shrine, as well as everyone around you. Don't worry though, the water has been chilled a little bit, so it's the perfect temperature to cool you down in the summer heat without burning you or shocking your system. To enjoy the festival to the fullest, come prepared! For footwear, bring flip-flops and no socks. Waterproof smartphone case or bag, a towel and a change of clothes. Waterproof bag and a bag for your wet clothes. Water gun or a bucket for attack and defense. If you wear glasses, also bring goggles.
Yeah, thank you for showing us this festival. I will definitely come back next year. Yeah, let me know. I'll come with you again. Oh, yeah.
The area around the station is also amazing all year round. As a thermal station, you will of course find several inns with onsens only a short walk away. The inns offer accommodation and food, but most also accept day trips to enjoy the hot baths. And right in front of the station, you'll be able to dip your toes in a hot foot bath.
So the afternoon is amazing after a long day just working, like touring around Fukui. However, with the 42.3 degrees Celsius water, this does not feel the same for today. No, I think that's nice.
Right next to the foot bath is a little food court, a yokocho, reminiscing of Japan's narrow streets lined with microscopic restaurants and bars. The perfect place to unwind after a long day and experience delicious Japanese street cuisine. If you want to learn about even more magical places and events in Fukui, follow Catherine on her Instagram. Either at Corny Hill for amazing pictures or at Fukui with Catherine for support and general tips about life in Fukui.
Thank you for watching. Stay cool in the summer and continue to see us for more content about Fukui.